UGC NET 2025 June paper, we had questions from integration. So let's discuss. Question number 412. Integrate x plus 3 upon x plus 5 dx. So you can see that the degree of the numerator and the denominator is same. So we have to divide. So let's manipulate. We can write x plus 3 as x plus 5 minus 2 divided by x plus 5 dx, which will be x plus 5 upon x plus 5 minus 2 upon x plus 5 dx. So we have integration of 1 dx minus 2 integration of 1 upon x plus 5 dx. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of 1 upon x plus 5 is log mod x plus 5, and we have to add a constant of integration. So option number 4 is the correct answer. If you look at question number 415, we have to evaluate this definite integral. Okay. So integration of e power ax dx is e power ax upon a. So this will be e power minus 2x upon minus 2. And then we have to put these limits. Take minus 1 upon 2 outside. Okay. And then put x equals to 2 minus x equals to 1. So this is your answer. Let's multiply with the negative sign. So therefore option number 3 is the correct answer for this question. You can see consecutive questions on integration. Question number 475. Again, you have to match these options. A, integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x. When you put the limit from 0 to infinity, this is tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse, now infinity can be written down as tan pi by 2 and 0 can be written down as tan 0. Tan inverse tan pi by 2 is pi by 2. Tan inverse tan 0 is 0. So the answer is pi by 2. So A should be mapped with 3. So therefore you can see that you can rule out 1, 2 and 4 easily. Okay. So again, let's look at D. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Again, tan inverse x. We go from minus infinity to infinity here. So this is tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse minus infinity. We can take out negative sign outside from inverse tan. So this is this. This is 2 tan inverse infinity. We have just seen that tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. So this is pi. So D is mapped to 4. Correct. Now let us look at this. Minus infinity to minus 1, 1 upon x4 dx. This is nothing but integration of x power minus 4, which is x power minus 3 upon minus 3. Now put the limit from minus infinity to minus 1. So minus 1 by 3 can be taken out common. 1 upon x cube minus infinity minus 1. Let's put the upper limit. Now when x is equal to minus infinity, 1 upon minus infinity cube will be 0. Anything divided by infinity is 0. So the answer is 1 by 3. Okay. So C goes to 2 and therefore B has to go to 1. Let us see why it does not exist. 1 upon root x is x power minus half. If we integrate it, it will be minus half plus 1, which is going to be minus, which is going to be 2 and yeah, x power half. So which is going to be 2 root x, and if you put the limit from 1 to infinity. So this is something like root infinity minus root 1. Now this becomes very large, therefore it does not exist. See, the answer has to be a finite number and therefore it does not exist.